Hey there, fellow gardeners! Welcome back to the channel where we explore everything you need to know about growing your own food right at home. Today we're talking about one of the most versatile and rewarding crops to grow, the pumpkin. But not just any pumpkin, we're diving into the easiest pumpkin variety that can thrive in any climate. Whether you live in a warm tropical area or a cooler region, this pumpkin will be your gardening best friend. So, what's this amazing pumpkin that anyone can grow? Let me introduce you to the sugar pie pumpkin, also known as the small sugar. This variety is not only great for pies but also perfect for beginner gardeners. It's small, easy to manage, and best of all, adaptable to various growing conditions. Whether you have a short growing season or long hot summers, the sugar pie pumpkin will thrive. Look at this beauty. The sugar pie pumpkin typically weighs about 2 to 5 pounds, making it easy to handle and harvest. Plus, it matures quickly compared to other pumpkin varieties, which means you don't need to wait months to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Now let's talk about how to plant these pumpkins. First things first, make sure your soil is well draining and enriched with organic matter. Pumpkins love rich, fertile soil, so adding compost or well-rotted manure is key. Plant your seeds in mounds about 1 inch deep and spaced 4 to 6 feet apart. Pumpkins need space to sprawl, but don't worry, the vines are manageable. Depending on your climate, you can plant the seeds directly in the ground after the last frost if you live in cooler areas. For warmer climates, you can start your seeds earlier indoors or plant directly in the garden. Segment 3. Caring for your pumpkins. Pumpkins are relatively low maintenance, but there are a few things to keep in mind to ensure a bountiful harvest. First, they need consistent watering, especially during the fruiting period. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Water at the base of the plant to avoid wetting the leaves, which can lead to fungal diseases. If you're in a very hot climate, mulching around the base of the plants will help retain moisture and keep the roots cool. As for pest control, keep an eye out for squash bugs and cucumber beetles. Using a row cover when the plants are young can protect them from pests. Also, pumpkins benefit from regular feeding. I recommend a balanced fertilizer every few weeks, especially when the vines start running and flowers appear. Segment 4. Harvesting and using your pumpkins. After 90 to 100 days, your pumpkins will be ready for harvest. You'll know they're ready when the skin turns a deep orange color and feels hard to the touch. Be sure to harvest before the first frost in cooler climates. And here's the best part. The sugar pie pumpkin is perfect for pies, soups, or even roasted as a side dish. You can also store them for up to 3 months in a cool, dry place. They'll last you through the winter, making them an excellent crop for food preservation. Segment 5. Final tips for success. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips to ensure you grow the easiest pumpkin successfully, no matter where you live. Choose the right variety. Sugar pie. Pumpkins are adaptable and beginner-friendly. Prepare your soil well, enrich it with compost or manure for the best results. Give them space. Plant in mounds and provide room for vines to spread. Water consistently. Focus on deep watering at the base of the plants. Watch for pests. Protect young plants with row covers and keep an eye on bugs. That's it, folks. The sugar pie pumpkin is truly the easiest pumpkin to grow for all climates. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this pumpkin is a rewarding and delicious addition to your garden. So, what are you waiting for? Get planting and enjoy the harvest. Closing scene. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or share your pumpkin growing success stories. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.